to charge my phone and hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a very different setup right now. I'm currently in my living room in my new apartment, and if you guys are confused, then you probably aren't subscribed to my vlog channel. I'm gonna leave my vlog channel in the eye right there if you guys want to subscribe and watch my videos about moving out. I've only posted 2 so far, but more is to come. And yeah, just it's been a hectic month or so, but that's why I've been pretty absent from the channel as well, because everything's just been really hectic. So yes, that's where I've been pretty much, and this is my new living room. I'm still trying to figure out stuff. I'm still trying to figure out like how things are gonna be as far as like filming setups and stuff, so please bear with me whilst I find my feet, because I'm such a perfectionist. Like I probably am not gonna find something for a while, but we're just gonna move around until we find something. So I'm just sitting in my living room, I'm just like leaning on my couch, just yeah, but it's a really nice like summery vibe in here. Also, if it's a bit echoey in here, I'm sorry, it is quite an open space. I'm not too sure how it's gonna sound until I edit this, so apologies. I do have my mic on, but I don't know how it's gonna sound. So hopefully everything's all good and you guys like this setup. Be sure to comment down below if you guys do and you want me to film more videos here, because it's just relaxed, you know. I'm just like on the floor, just a really chilled setup, and I'm just gonna tell you guys some clothes that I've picked up lately and some stuff that I think is gonna be perfect for summer. So if you guys like try on hauls, especially for the summer, I want to do quite a few this summer, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know some stores that you think I should be shopping at down below, and let's get into this summer try on haul. Okay, so I don't know what to go into first. What? I shopped at quite a few places. Some are online, some are actually in store, but I will have everything linked down below. If things aren't in stock, I will try and find alternatives and the closest thing to them. I got the most stuff from Misguided and Nasty Gal, so I reckon I'll do those first. First item from Misguided is this off-the-shoulder crop top, and this you can't actually see from far away, but there are red stripes, and then on either side of the red stripe there's green, which is kind of like a little bit Gucci-esque, I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm not massively into designer stuff personally, but when I saw this actually come in person, I was like, oh, there's green on it, and it actually reminded me a bit of Gucci. So if that's your vibe, then it's gonna be good. But I just bought this because I really like stripes, if you can't already tell. I think they're really nice and they're definitely in for this summer, so yeah, I think this is really nice. I love off-the-shoulder tops, and it's got the kind of like frilled hem at the top. From Misguided, I actually picked up 2 pairs of bottoms. Now, you guys know I buy trousers from Misguided. I keep trying with Misguided to love their bottoms, but they never fit me. So I'm not entirely sure how these are gonna fit me. I don't know if I'm too short. I'm 5'4", which isn't like super short, and it's not tall either. Like, I guess it's like below average, but they're just always too long for me. Anyway, these are the first pair of bottoms that I tried. They're very out there for me. They're basically cargo pants, and it's red with navy and black, which is so out there for me. I don't wear stuff like this. And I also got this pair of cargo pants as well from Misguided, and these are this kind of like khaki color. It has this chain detail, which I think is so cool. It has like a military vibe to it, very like, cool. I don't know, I just really like it. This time this has a belt loop, which I love because I have a small waist, so I have a feeling that this is more likely to fit me because I can put a belt on it and I can just kind of manipulate it a little bit more. Also, I picked this up, and you guys know I'm not the girliest and I don't really buy a lot of pink stuff, but when I saw this I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, because it has the red on it, just the contrast of the red and the pink is just so cute. I just knew I had to pick this up. So this is a Croc T-shirt, and I love it. It says 1990 on it. I love the contrast hem with the actual color of the top. I'm doing well with my colors, guys. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I do not wear a lot of color, so I've been doing well recently. I also picked up this Kappa top, and this is on Misguided as well. I think I got this in a larger size. Oh no, it's in a small, but it's quite oversized. But as you can see, it's pretty large on me, and you can wear it as is or you can tie it up. I imagine I'll probably be tying it up because it's me. And then finally, the last item of clothing from Misguided is this Umbro navy jacket. Now, if you guys watched my Misguided Madison Beer haul, you guys would have saw that I picked this up in red. It was quite small for me, so I actually picked this up in a medium. Yes, instead of a small this time, so it could be just a bit more oversized, but I really love the style of it. I really love Umbro, and I just love the vibe of this. I also picked up a couple of accessories. I feel like it's so hard to show you guys accessories. Oh, okay, let's open these because these are sunnies, and I haven't bought sunnies in a while. I used to buy them all the time, but now it's summer again, I just feel like it's just necessary, you know? Oh my gosh, everything looks like way nicer with this color. These are a little bit more of an oval shape, and I just really like the look of these. I already have these kind of like yellow tinted glasses in more of an aviator style, but when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so nice, because it doesn't take up your whole face, and you can kind of just like sit them on the edge of your nose, and it just kind of like adds to it, you know? The next store that we have is Nasty Gal. I have this mesh dress. Obviously, I would definitely have to wear something underneath this. It's see-through pretty much, so you have to wear something underneath this. I know a lot of people like to wear like just like a bralette or something, but that's totally up to you. I personally wouldn't, but it is quite see-through, so just bear that in mind. It's not like a t-shirt dress, it actually is mesh. Also picked up this simple t-shirt that says sugar on it. I really like just the red on the white. I think that's really cool. This was really pretty and simplistic, but I just like the font and the red at the same time. Picked up this t-shirt which says paradise on it. Again, it's red, white and blue, which I really love those colors together. But this is an overly crop top, so you would definitely have to wear something underneath this. I would wear like a sports bra that comes down, and then probably with something high-waisted, personally myself, but it's totally up to you. I know everyone's different when it comes to how much of themselves that they want to show, but personally me, I don't like things being too overly cropped. I also picked up, which I'm super happy about, these are actually inside out because I've already tried these on. I was really interested to try these because I've just been looking for a good pair of mom jeans, and I really like these. So these are some mom jeans that I picked up from Nasty Gal, and they are obviously very ripped, but I really like these, and I think because they're so ripped, they're really nice for the summertime. I know not everyone likes ripped jeans, but I really do. So these are mom style. They obviously don't shape to your body whatsoever, so you kind of lose your shape, that's the whole point. But I really like the way these fit with a belt on. I just really like it, and they just fit the way that I would want mom jeans to fit. And then finally we have a faux leather jacket. I used to wear leather jackets all the time. I'm really glad that I picked up another one, and I'm glad that it's faux leather because I don't really feel the need personally to like buy leather when it's unnecessary. Like, I'm not a vegan or anything. Okay, so next let's get into what I got from Urban Outfitters, and the first thing that is peeking out of this bag are these sunglasses. And when I saw these, I was like, I need these like in every way. Now, you know that saying of like how life looks with rose tinted glasses? These glasses would fulfill that saying. I honestly love this, and I love that they're so big and circular, so definitely a cool accessory to have for summer. It's from Urban Outfitters. I picked this up, and honestly when I saw this, I just knew I needed to pick this up. It's kind of like a boob tube or a strapless, I don't know what these are called. What does this even say on the label? And it's this really pretty yellow tartan print. I'm obsessed. Like, I really have started to love yellow, but especially the kind of more muted type of yellow, so it's not super bright. I think this would look good on a lot of skin tones, but I really think that like tanned to deeper skin tones, like yellow is a really nice color. So I really love the way that this looks on my skin tone, and again, this would look incredible on a lot of deeper skin tones. Whenever I go into Urban Outfitters, it's always dangerous because I just love everything in there, but when I saw this, I was like, oh, yes. Okay, the last thing that I picked up from Urban Outfitters, I didn't get that much from there because money. This top right here, it's a t-shirt that says Infinity on it, 1994 to 1995 at the bottom. I was born in 95, so I was like, that's me. This is just really nice. It obviously has the prints on it, and I believe Japanese print on the bottom of it as well, which is beautiful. And then I also went in to Topshop on that same shopping trip, and I picked up this skirt. Now, I've been looking for this kind of skirt for ages, and I wasn't able to find one that fit me really well, but I ended up picking up the Topshop, okay, it just says skirt. I really like this. It is fairly short, but not too over the top. Like, I felt like even though it was quite high-waisted, it does fit me really nicely. I do feel like I have to wear a belt though, because again, my waist is quite small. So yeah, but I really like this, and it's a really pretty denim miniskirt. So I'm glad I have that as well, because it's kind of like a must-have, I believe, in your closet. I picked up another one of these frilly boob tubes, but this is just a simplistic black one, just because again, like these with a boob tube, so pretty, but I wanted just a normal black one because I just feel like these are so like diverse. You could just wear these with so much. And then also from Topshop, I picked up this Champion t-shirt. I bought this in a size medium. I wanted this to be oversized, so that's why I picked this up in a medium. And you guys know how I feel about, you know, the contrast baseball style t-shirts. And then obviously it has a printed Champion on it, so I love it and I really think it's pretty and I'm excited to wear this one. And the last store that I went into was actually Pull & Bear. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Pull & Bear, I'm kind of like quite new to it as well, I would say. Their stuff is so nice and it's quite inexpensive. It's kind of like a cheaper version of Urban Outfitters a little bit, but they don't really carry other brands other than Pull & Bear. They're kind of just their own branded stuff, but the vibe is very Urban Outfitters. So if you haven't tried them, I definitely recommend going and looking at them. First top is actually this vest that I'm wearing, and it's just this really pretty V-neck striped ribbed crop top, and I just think tops like this are just my favorite because they're so easy to wear. They look so summery, and like I said, I love stripes. I just think they look so nice. Then I also picked up this bodysuit as well from Pull & Bear. I thought this was so cute. It's just a ribbed white bodysuit with this rainbow detail, and I just thought so pretty. Again, very easy to wear, very like simplistic and minimal, but I love the little color print that's on it. I also picked up this cropped vest top. And I think, again, this is really nice because the whole hem and the straps are thicker and they are like striped again, which I think is really nice. And it says Crystal Piers on it and it's just really pretty. Finally, you guys, I'm almost done. I got 2 pairs of socks from Pull & Bear. I really love stripy socks, so I got these white socks with a rainbow on it, and then I also got these mustard striped socks as well because I do love my socks, I'm not gonna lie. But that is actually the end of this haul. I feel like I had so many clothes. Sorry I didn't go into everything so much, but I didn't want this haul to be too long for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know down in the comments where you think I should shop next. Also, don't forget to let me know about this setup if you guys are happy with it, or if you guys don't like it, just let me know. But yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Also, be sure to check out my vlog channel too. Okay, bye guys. Mwah. Baby,